Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Speak English in Restaurant. This video is for beginners only. Okay, let's start. Menu lana please. Bring the menu please. Bring the menu please. ज़रा नमक इधर करना please. Please pass me the salt. Please pass me the salt. मेरा पेट भर गया. My stomach is full. My stomach is full. आज क्या ख़ास है? What's special today? What's special today? कितना वक्त लगेगा? How much time will it take? How much time will it take? ऑर्डर ले लीजिए प्लीज़. Please take the order. Please take the order. मीठे में कुछ लेंगे क्या? Would you take anything from dessert? Would you take anything from dessert? Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.